if u and v are the function of x, then if y is equal to u plus v, that is u is a function of x and v, so dy by dx, which is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. That means we have to identify the derivative of u as well as derivative of v. Second one, y is equal to u minus v, so dy by dx, which is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Third one, y is equal to u into v. Okay, then we have to identify the derivative of that function, that is dy by dx, which is equal to u as it is, dv by dx plus v as it is, du by dx. V square, v as it is, du by dx minus u as it is, dv by dx. Okay, so these are the four results we will use to simplify the sums. Okay, examples to understand the results more clearly. First one, suppose we have given y is equal to x raised to 10. So derivative of this function by using this formula, x raised to n. What is the formula? That dy by dx is n into x raised to n minus 1. So this term will become dy by dx, which is equal to 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1. So this will become 10 into x raised to 9. So dy by dx, which is equal to 10 into x raised to 9. Okay, so this is the derivative of a given function. And now I will not every time I will write this term directly. You can write 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1, so you will get this term. Second example, suppose we have y is equal to x raised to 8 plus log x plus e raised to x. So we have to apply the formula. So you will write dy by dx, that is derivative of each term, d upon dx of x raised to 8 plus d upon dx of log x plus d upon dx of e raised to x. Now apply the formula here. So this will become 8 into x raised to 8 minus 1 plus this is derivative of log x is 1 upon x and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this will become 8 into x raised to 7 plus 1 upon x plus e raised to x dy by dx. Okay, third one, suppose y is equal to sin x plus 3x square plus 4 log x. Okay, so you will write the derivative, that is dy by dx, which is equal to d upon dx of sin x plus d upon dx of 3x square plus d upon dx of 4 log x. Now derivative of sin x is cos x plus this term will multiply 3 to the 6x. We know that the power of x will get reduced, plus this 4 will be as it is, and the derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, so therefore the final answer will become cos x plus 6x plus 4 upon x dy by dx. Okay, so this is the way how we can identify the derivative. Now we have fourth sum. Suppose we have given y is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus log of x raised to 3. Okay, so again we have to identify the derivative, that is dy by dx, d upon dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus log of x cube, that is d upon dx of log of x cube. Now here this will multiply, so you will write 6x plus derivative of x is 1, so 4 into 1 plus this 5 is independent of x, so this will become 0, plus now derivative of log x into d upon dx of x cube. Why? Because log x is the one function and x cube is the another function, so that log x ka derivative you will write 1 upon x cube, and x cube ka derivative you will write 3x square. Okay, so this x square and this will get cancelled, so final answer you will get 6x plus 4 plus 3 upon x, that is your dy by dx. Okay, now take a fifth sum, that is suppose y is equal to a raised to x plus e raised to x plus log x minus 6x cube. Okay, now we have to identify the derivative of this term, so we will write dy by dx, that is d upon dx of a raised to x plus d upon dx of e raised to x plus d upon dx of log x minus d upon dx of 6x cube. Okay, so this will become derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a plus e raised to x plus log x का derivative 1 by x minus 18x square. Okay, try to solve the sums 2 times 3 times so that you can understand how to apply the formula. Okay, first thing you have to remember is the formula. Okay, so try to remember the formula, okay, and write these questions. Okay, in the next class we will solve the exercise. Thank you.